Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 7th, 2021. Loopring. Yeah, I'm going to talk about Loopring today. I'm going to give you all a price prediction for this particular cryptocurrency. We want to know if a buy indicator has been triggered from the price chart. Yeah, you can actually tell where the buyers are at on the price chart, because if so, then we need to be prepared for the price to go up. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is where I give you all realistic price predictions without the confusion. I don't give you no technical indicators. I don't speak on any articles. I don't try to give you any analysis in terms of fundamental protocols that is anticipated to push the price in Loopring. I just simply look at what everyone else is trying to do with the money, and you guys can do the same thing. So keep it locked in here with me by liking the video, share the video, also subscribing to the channel. We make this thing simple and easy so you guys can continually profit in the market from these price moves. So check it out right here. November the 24th was the last time I did a video for Loopring. I was telling you all then to be prepared for the price to go up, right? And look, you only had one day, maybe 2 days for us to at least grab some of that profitability out the market, 8.5%, right? And I wasn't overly bullish into the market. You guys can see that literally I had about $3.68 as a restriction point, meaning that is where we was going to see the sellers. And that is precisely how high the market went. And since then, price has been going down. See, this is how you're able to time the market. You don't have to overextend your stay in the markets. You simply come in, grab your 18% and move on to the next opportunity. Because now, if you were to get out the market now in Loopring, you'll be down 18%. So let me go ahead and get rid of it, because we need to talk about, have we seen this buy indicator triggered just by looking at the price bars and the volume, because we can actually tell. Now, first of all, I want you all to see this though, okay? We cannot be massively bullish into the market in Loopring no more. We can't. And this is the reason why. We broke the trend. The market in Loopring was in a very sustained upward trend starting in the month of November. I mean, we was seeing price move monumentally higher in price. Well, we broke that trend, right? Look at this. The trend in Loopring was broken. So we cannot be that bullish anymore. But it doesn't mean that price isn't going to be supported. It doesn't mean that we're going to continue to go down in price though, which is the second thing I wanted to show you is this. Take a look at this. We have already determined where the buyers were at. The buyers came into the market in Loopring right there around $1.60. That is where they're at. And they still came into the market again on this particular day. These are the indications that let us know that the buy trigger has been seen. Those two reasons alone, support, buyers came in at 160, and the market strength still came in on December the 6th. Those are all indications that buyers are coming into the market. Okay, so given that's the reason, if anything, we're looking for the market in Loopring to give us some sideways trading. Yeah, so we're not bullish, we're not bearish. We're just going to look for the market stability to occur over the next couple of days, maybe even to the ending of 2021. So look at this. Let's try to figure out, where are the sellers then? Since we know where the buyers are at, where do you think the sellers are at? Because it's kind of hard to distinguish where they are at. Maybe are they $2.80, maybe around $3. I mean, where do you think the sellers are at? Because they are located on this price chart. They're here, but they're lurking in the background because it's not readily seen where they are located. Now, I am seeing a restriction point right here though. Okay. So I would say maybe around like $2.85, maybe $3. It's a location that we can see some weakness occur, meaning we can see some selling. Now, basically, what I've seen on this 2-day price bar alongside this 2-day price bar, it doesn't look as if that $2.85 price is going to be a problem for Loopring. It really doesn't look that way. So looking at Loopring here on a weekly time frame, let's take a look for real. We have 5 days and 13 hours left before this current weekly price bar ends, right? We're off on a good foot right now. Yeah, for us to see price go up in Loopring, we're definitely looking good for market highness. But look what happened last week. and the week before that. I mean, look at all of the selling that occurred into the market in Loopring. So I don't want all of us to be oblivious to not think that price can go down in the long term, because we definitely can, especially when you look at this on the 2 weeks time frame for Loopring, right? This is massively weak right there. So even if I'm going to play the strength into the market in Loopring on a daily basis, pay attention to the weekly and the 2 weeks time frame, because we can still see some volatility and indication to push the price back down in Loopring. I'm gonna keep it real with everyone in our subscribership. I'm gonna let you all know what I'm seeing on the price chart, even though you may not like it. It is what it is. So let's go ahead and try to figure this out on a daily perspective on how high we can see the market in Loopring go. Okay, because currently, yeah, I am looking for price to go up. I am, but I'm not overly bullish. So let me get that out the way. I'm not one of these moon boys here on YouTube that's going to give you thinking that price is going to hit $100,000 for Loopring. But we can still win and profit into the market off of price movement. Okay, so let's try to figure this out. As long as the market price in Loopring holds this $2 area, yeah, we need to suspect that market is going to continue to go up. Okay, now I got a couple of areas within this price target area that I'm going to show you that I'm looking to tag out, meaning where I'm willing to take the bag, where I'm willing to take the profit. And the first area is going to be here. Okay, right there around $2.90. That's about 13.75% movement higher from where the market is right now. Yeah, we can see the market hit $2.90. Anything outside of that is going to be pushing it, right? We're going to be pushing how high the market in Loopring can really go. So let me do this. Let me bring this up higher. Okay. Just a tad higher. And that would be the second area right there around $3. Okay. So yeah, I'm not massively bullish. I'm not looking for the market really in Loopring to really break out. I'm pretty much looking for us to consolidate. And this might be another quick play. I mean, if you guys watching this video 2-3 days after the fact, you may have mixed out on this move, which is one of the hardest thing about coming into the market and predicting market moves. You don't know how fast it will be. It might happen today. It might happen tomorrow. It might happen a week from now. But don't forget, from a 2-week perspective, that is definitely indication that selling is still present. So I'm not necessarily looking for this market move up higher to occur longer than 2 weeks, right? Longer than a week. It has to be a lot sooner than that. So if you guys are missing this, then you might have already missed out on the bag. All right, so this is it. This is what I'm looking forward to in Loopring. I am seeing that strength is here. I'm playing the strength, but it's not a long duration type event to where it's going to take a while for us to see the price go up. If I don't see the price go up in like the next 2 to 3 days, then we will have to come back and reevaluate the situation. But as of right now, yeah, I'm gonna play the strength. I'm looking for the market to go up in Loopring. So now it's your turn. Drop me your price prediction right now in the market in Loopring and tell me where do y'all think the market is headed real quick. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.